This is going to be a pretty quick update here for APLD stock. We're down about 1% today, and as of today, the end of April 2025, I'm not tripping. The overall market here is pretty red, as you could see. And then here, APLD just down about 1%. Still in trajectory, in my personal opinion, of a move back up to $5.30. I do believe the 200-day moving average at around $7 is going to be retested as well. So again, patiently holding and also patiently waiting for APLD to potentially test 530, 666, and again, $7. I do believe this 47% move of a recovery. Now I'm going to have to fix this since we're down at 442. Right around a 56% recovery here for APLD going into the next couple of weeks, I think is a highly possible and noteworthy potential test. Again, I'm optimistic on APLD, but I'm also cautious as well with the support here of 430. If we break down below 430, keep an eye out for 331 or 333 acting as a potential support level as well. The reason why is because the reason why I'm so optimistic is because we broke above this downtrend pattern and now looking to form a new pattern here for APLD. What I want to be looking out for is higher highs and higher lows in terms of the daily chart here. So we had here this recent high here of 493 and here having a potential low here of about, let's go ahead and zoom in today's here, low of about 420. And zooming out to the daily chart, our previous low here, you can see higher lows and potentially higher highs. On the daily chart, I want to see this continuing to occur here for APLD, especially as we start to range into $5.30 and again 666 here. This sounds pretty crazy, and I know 57% also sounds really crazy and absurd from our current prices, but you got to know that APLD is extremely volatile as well. We've had massive rips up to the top and also massive rips down to the bottom here, and I really do think a reversal to the top side is highly possible as well. And I think anything below, honestly, I said it before, anything below the 200-day moving average might as well be a potential dip opportunity. But again, I'm still cautious in case we get a lower low here. But I don't think we're going to get a lower low, and I don't think we're going to test towards 331. I think the bottom is already passed by, and viewing this even on the weekly chart here, I think we're definitely in a better buying territory than we are at a selling territory. If anything, I would want to be buying down here and looking to be selling up here away from the 200 moving average on the weekly chart. Again, 1248 here was our recent high, and this was not too long ago, right around February 21st of 2025. Do I think we're going to get a retest towards that level? In my opinion, at some point in the overall market, when we start to recover, I would expect to see APLD rally back up again as well and see more attention and traction and volume as well. Once the volume comes back, I do anticipate a move back to 1248. And if you really want to compare the current price here to 1248, it's going to be right around a 180% move. It sounds, like I said, crazy, but just zoom out or zoom in, I suppose, to the previous months or weeks, you can definitely see we've had such volatile moves. It's definitely a possibility, something to keep an eye out for. And again, I don't have a big position in APLD, but enough to, potentially ride this wave up to 1248 again. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, and all the people that have been watching my videos for APLD, I appreciate you guys for sticking around and also hearing out my opinions. Of course, everything I say here is not going to be guaranteed, and I'm not trying to force anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Just want to share with you my opinion here, and again, for APLD, I am leaning more towards being optimistic than I am bearish here for APLD, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't joined yet, please feel free to join our Discord. And again, Patreon is going to be optional if you want to join for live entries and exits. We do have some due diligence and also technical analysis on APLD for our Discord and Patreon. So join our Patreon if you want to support the community with some benefits. And if not, it's totally optional. You can just join our Discord. That's going to be completely free, okay? If you haven't yet feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if anyone wants to support, I know Dave there in the YouTube section, comment down below. Dave typically comments on a lot of the APLD videos. Dave there also supporting us on YouTube with the YouTube membership. So thank you guys for supporting our YouTube with the YouTube membership. That one's totally optional as well. And I will be making more videos for all the YouTube members there. So appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next APLD video.